say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk into my heart if you want to. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. No secrets, no, 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 no secrets. No secrets, no, 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 no.
This conversation, for some of you, not everybody, can change the trajectory of your life. She says, I'm not getting off the phone until you tell me what's really going on. I told her everything. I told her how I wasn't sleeping at night. I had these negative racing thoughts. I didn't have any motivation. I didn't want to go anywhere, didn't want to do anything. I wasn't eating. She said, sounds like depression. There's a counseling center on campus. You can talk to somebody and you can get help. You don't have to do this by yourself.